Gum marks, masking tape residue, oil stains, ink, paint. Does your laminate look like this? After years of research, introducing India's first and only dedicated laminate cleaner, Lamiclean. With advanced formula made for every laminate. Lamiclean works on acrylic, PVC, texture, glossy, suede, metal gold, silver, and copper laminates. Laminated wooden flooring, pre-lam particle boards, laminated furniture, coated hardware, and even PVC louvers, Lamiclean handles them all. Using it is simple. First, spray Lamiclean directly on the surface. Then gently scrub with the free, non-scratch scrubber for just 10 seconds. Wipe clean with a dry cotton cloth and finish with a damp cloth for that brand new shine. Lamiclean's advanced formula removes the most stubborn stains, gum, adhesive, masking tape marks, paint, ink, oil, and dirt. And uniquely, it is the only product that safely removes the sticky adhesive residue left behind by the protective film on high-gloss laminates without causing any damage. Detergent-Free. 10 years of trust, 100% made in India. Approved by the Indian Laminate Manufacturers Association. Maintain a new look of your laminate with Lamiclean.